So in this video, I'll show you how to make one of the most easiest and popular salads in Italy, the Caprese salad. First, I'll be showing you how to make the traditional Italian Caprese salad, as well as the modern Caprese salad. So simple, so easy, so creamy, and the best part of it is, it only takes about 5 minutes to make each one. So let's get straight into it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Versus Chef, where we make two versions of the same dish and compete them against each other. Now, as you can see in this chart, you only need a handful of simple, high quality ingredients to make both versions of this recipe. The traditional Italian salad originates from the Isle of Capri in the Gulf of Naples, and it is generally made in the summertime. It features the colours of the Italian flag: green, white, and red. Now, I recommend you take a quick screenshot of this for future references. Now, first up, I'll be showing you how to make the classic Italian Caprese salad. The ingredients for this dish today are fresh buffalo mozzarella, fresh basil leaves, some salt, extra virgin olive oil, dry oregano, fresh heirloom tomatoes, not Truss tomatoes, not Roma tomatoes. They must be heirloom tomatoes. They have an intense flavour that works perfectly well in this dish, so don't stinge. Pay that extra $3 and get the top quality heirloom tomatoes. Now, first start off by cutting up tomatoes into thick slices, as you can see. Remove the green top and take your time. We want every slice to be roughly the same size, as you can see what I'm doing here. Now, the next step is to cut up the buffalo mozzarella. Cut them roughly the same size as the tomatoes you sliced earlier. Be sure to drain them of any liquid prior to cutting them. Now, finally, the next section is to assemble the salad. This bit is the easy and fun bit. First, start off by placing the tomatoes and overlap them over each other, as you can see. Now, be sure to salt the tomatoes as this draws out the moisture, intensifying the flavors of the tomatoes. The next section is to lay the cheese between the tomatoes and tuck the basil leaves between the cheese and tomatoes, letting it peer out for decoration. Now, all that's left to do now is to add the dry oregano. Finally, drizzle the extra virgin olive oil, as you can see, and bingo, nice and easy. Congratulations, you have actually made an authentic traditional Caprese salad. Now, next up is the modern Caprese salad. So simple, so delicious, and so beautiful on the eye. And to be honest, myself, I actually prefer the modern version, as it is a bit more sweet, and the balsamic glaze gives it that extra little bit of edge. Now, the ingredients for this dish today are fresh burrata cheese, fresh basil leaves, some salt, balsamic glaze, extra virgin olive oil, dry oregano, Truss tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, and any other tomatoes you can find. The more the merrier. Having a variety of tomatoes is what gives this dish that beautiful sweet taste. Start off by cutting tomatoes into little wedges. Take your time, be sure to remove the green part. Now, for the smaller sized tomatoes, you can simply cut them in half, as you can see. Now, once you have sliced all the different tomatoes, be sure to season them with salt. Again, this brings out the moisture and intensifies the flavor as well. Finally, once you have completed cutting up all your beautiful tomatoes, the next bit is assembling the salad. For the modern Caprese salad, simply start off by placing the burrata cheese in the center of the plate, as you can see. The next part is to add up all the cut up tomatoes, place them around the burrata cheese, creating a beautiful medley of tomatoes. Now, Finally, the next part is to add in the fresh basil leaves, spread them around, creating a beautiful mix of green and red and white. Finally, the next step is to add the dry oregano. Be generous, as this oregano creates a beautiful earthy taste to the salad. The next step is to add the extra virgin olive oil. Now remember, it must be extra virgin. Extra virgin olive oil is cold pressed with no heat or harsh chemicals, so the taste is a lot more pure and refined and works perfectly with this dish. And the final bit of the modern caprese salad is to add this balsamic glaze. Drizzle it around, and as you can see, this creates that beautiful sweet and acidic taste to the dish. And finally, congratulations again, you have made yourself a modern caprese salad. So easy, such a crowd pleaser, and so beautiful to the eye. Now let me know in the comments below, which one is your favorite? Is it the Italian Caprese Salad, or is it the modern tomato medley variation of it? Thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. My dream is one day to make 10,000 subscribers, so hopefully you can all help me get there. Don't forget to click the notify button. Thank you again, and I'll see you in our next video.